I would like to start today's evening with a short enlightening speech. So, can I please get your attention? So, India celebrate. First of all, I would like to go a bit to the history part of celebrating Teachers Day. India celebrates Teachers Day on September 5 every year. This day is dedicated to India's first Vice President, that is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. He had asked for this day to be commemorated to the teachers and mentors who are an important part of our life. Be it in school or colleges, they teach us not only the particular subject, but also important life lessons that go a long way in shaping students' life and career. Across the nation, students mark Teachers' Day and pay respect to their mentors and go a long way in their society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is, of course, a noble profession. Okay, well, the speech is written down right here, but whatever I'll be saying, it's straight from my heart or straight from our heart on behalf of the whole class. Teachers are the building blocks of our life. They act as second mothers to all our students. On this August occasion, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank you, teacher, for molding us into worthy people to face the world boldly. As I said, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the President of India in the tenure between 1962 to 1967. He was a scholar and a firm believer of education. We might not realize the power of simple words that I'm using right now, as a thank you can go a long way. In this fast-paced world, we forget to express gratitude to one another. Thus, Teachers' Day serves as a perfect opportunity to express our gratitude to our beloved teachers present here. Every day is a blessing because of my dear teachers. Their selfless and love help me grow and learn new things. Each day, our teachers show up for us despite various hardships that they do not discuss. Thus, it is our turn now to show them we are here for them. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have the skills that we do today. Your experiences have helped us become wiser for the better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memorable, and we will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Thank you once again to all the respected teachers. Okay, so here is one after this. I hope you all are a bit teary-eyed if I'm not wrong. Well, that was quite a speech. Anyway, okay, so moving on, we are having Shudhanshu Ranjan, who would like to acknowledge all our beloved teachers with just a token of love. So may I please request Shudhanshu Ranjan to unmute yourself and take over the mic? If it wasn't the situation right like it is right now, then I would have said that, Sudhanshu, can I please request you to come on stage and perform? But times changed, and we have to ultimately say that we are on Google Meet, and that's why we have to say that. Can you please, Sudhanshu, unmute yourself if you are able to listen to me? Sudhanshu
Yeah,
Ranjan.
yeah, thank you, Mama.
Okay,
Hello, everyone.
fine.
Hello, everyone. With a cup of hot smile, golden glory of this afternoon is on the air. Honorable HOD, sir, most respected teachers, and my dear friends, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all. On this much awaited magical Teachers' Day, none of us can deny that mother gives birth, but a good teacher gives a good life. If someone asked me to define a teacher that suits our modern language, then I would like to define it teacher, a multitasking educational rock star who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. Today, we all of us assemble here to acknowledge the contribution of all our teachers for giving a new meaning to our life. On this auspicious day, my heart is full of gratitude because the effort and trust you invest in ordinary students like us, push us to do extraordinary tasks in our life. To acknowledge the efforts made by our teachers, today we have brought rainbow of programs to express our heartfelt feeling for them. So let's move and make this a day, a very memorable day for all of us. Over to Minmoy. Minmoy, can you hear me? Minmoy. Hello, Minmoy. Can you hear me?
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yes, sir, yes. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Sudhanshu, for that short yes, sir, yes. Am I not audible? Okay, fine. Okay,
No, you
thank
are.
you,
You are.
Sudhanshu, for that short enlightenment. Okay, thank you, Sudhanshu, for that short enlightening speech. It was wonderful. So now, after a lot of emotional statements for the teachers and representing, love can never be represented. I mean, we are representing it's just an attempt, but love can always be felt. It's cannot be brought into words, and that's how we are trying to through this Google Meet. We are trying our level best to bring that sort of love into a kind of molded presentation. So that's what our effort stands for. Anyways, thank you so much, Sudhanshu Ranjan. That was indeed a very wonderful speech, and it was all straight from your heart. Okay, so now it's done for. Okay, it's fine if Smriti is facing some technical issue. I would like to again call Sudhanshu Ranjan for poem recitation if he's ready with it. Sudhanshu, can you please take over the mic?
Yeah, thank you, Mama. So,
Yeah, fine.
am I here to you? So, on this auspicious day,
Yeah,
would
it's fine.
I would love to recite a poem for my lovely teachers. I hope you all like it. So, it was starting from here. पापा ने देखा एक सपना पापा ने देखा एक सपना इंजीनियर बनेगा बेटा अपना पढ़ लिख कर ये कुछ ऐसा काम करेगा लाडला बेटा देश का ऊंचा नाम करेगा बेटा था आज्ञाकारी शुरू किया तैयारी फिर जी आकाश बंसल में भरी गई फीस भारी आखिर क्यों ना हो ये थी युद्ध की जो तैयारी सपने पूरे हुए जो थे दिल में उसके एडमिशन हुआ बेटे का हल्दिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी जैसे कॉलेज जहां मिले उसे कुछ ऐसे गुरु और टीचर जिनके बारे में क्या ही कहे आफ्टर ऑल वो थे उसके लाइफ मेकर किसी ने डिजिटल पढ़ाई तो किसी ने एनालॉग कम्युनिकेशन किसी ने डिजिटल पढ़ाई तो किसी ने एनालॉग कम्युनिकेशन किसी ने कोडिंग सिखाई तो किसी ने फिजिक्स की इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन किसी ने सिग्नल्स के फोरियर और लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म के बारे में समझाया तो किसी ने नेटवर्क के नॉर्टन्स और सुपरपोजिशन से मिलाया किसी ने मैथ्स की वो पुरानी अलजेब्रा और इंटीग्रेशन को वापस लाया किसी ने मैथ्स की वो पुरानी अलजेब्रा और इंटीग्रेशन को वापस लाया तो किसी ने उसे इंग्लिश पढ़ा के उसके कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को बढ़ाया और कितने सब्जेक्टों के नाम लूं क्योंकि उन सब्जेक्टों में कॉमन तो सिर्फ उसके सारे टीचर्स ही थे जिन सब ने मिलकर उसे एक इंजीनियर के काबिल बनाया आगे न जाने और कितनी मुलाकातें होंगी आगे न जाने और कितनी मुलाकातें होंगी लेकिन उसने हमेशा अपने आप को अपने टीचर से जुड़ा हुआ पाया थैंक यू टीचर्स फॉर ऑलवेज गाइडिंग अस थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ ग्रेट मेंटर एंड अ ग्रेट मोटिवेटर वी ऑल लव्स यू हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ you present here.
Thank you, Sudhanshu, for that great poem which you wrote. And if Mrinmoy is here, can you hear me? Okay, I guess He's facing some technical difficulties too. So moving on to the next event, Mashood Ahmad Danish. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I am able to hear you.
Okay.
Am I audible
So
to you?
Danish, yeah, absolutely. So Danish is gonna present a song to our most beloved teachers.
Please on your video button, Danish.
I hope you all like it.
Yes,
So
yes,
over to you,
Niloy, I can
Danish.
hear you. Am I audible? Am I visible?
Yeah, you're visible. Okay, so I have called upon Danish. So he's presenting right now. Okay.
Danish, on your
Is
video
my
button.
video is visible?
No, your video is not visible. Please turn on.
Wait. Hello.
Yeah, Danish, you're audible, but you're invisible.
Still your voice is
Yeah,
audible.
I am trying, but it's not.
Okay. If you're facing difficulties, so just let the audio on and sing. Okay.
Okay. First of all, a very heart-blowing good afternoon to all of you, and a very grateful and very happy Teachers Day to all of you. I am Ashwin Danish and going to present a song for you for all the teachers. That song is Pehli Mohabbat. Niloy, can you play guitar for me for this song? Niloy?
Actually, I don't have the guitar with me right now. Nilanjan can do it for you.
Nilanjan. Okay, Nilanjan.
Nilanjan, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Do you know the chords already, or
I guess you'll have to look it up.
The song is Pehli Mohabbat by Darshan Rawat.
I think you should have told me before.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Just sing
no
it
problem.
as it is.
No problem.
I guess the teachers will like it anyway.
Yeah. I'm going to start. Nare nara 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 nare nara 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 मेरा दिन भी तू मेरी शाम तू मेरे रात के सपनों में तू मेरी आहट तेरा नाम ले ये बात तू मान ले मेरा दिन भी तू मेरी शाम तू मेरे रात के सपनों में मेरी आहट तेरा नाम ले ये बात तू मान ले 100 साल का मेरा एक दिन हो जिसमें तेरी तस्वीर न हो बेरुत सी है मेरी ये जिंदगी जिसमें तेरी खुशबू ना हो मेरी पहली मोहब्बत पहली मोहब्बत पहली मोहब्बत है वो मेरी पहली मोहब्बत पहली मोहब्बत पहली मोहब्बत है वो नरे नार नारा नार नार नरे नार 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 Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're presenting a very good song. And Sudhanshu also presented.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Danish, for that wonderful song. I think the teachers have loved your sweet voice. So next up is Shubham Anand. Can you hear me?
Yes, Niloy.
Shubham, okay. Shubham, over to you.
Good afternoon, all the respected teachers, and a very happy Teachers Day to you all. Now I would like to present my song, and it's called Ae Khuda, and it's like, ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता यारा तेरी याद आती है, जहाँ मेरी जान जाती है, तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ, खुद से ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, क्यों तेरा अब भी रहे दिल को इंतजार, क्यों चली आती है, क्यों तड़पाती है, क्यों हूँ अब भी मैं यूं बेकरार, ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपने मंजिल का पता, ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
Okay, wow, wow, wow. That was a very wonderful performance that was filled with pure emotions and enriched with love. That was really adorable. And I assure you, Shubham, that Khuda will absolutely tell you their address. And not only to you, to all of us. Because हम
Thank
सब
you so
खुदा के
much,
बंदे
Shreya.
हैं. Because हम सब खुदा के बंदे हैं, and we shall overcome this pandemic too. Thank you so much for that so positivity filled with soul-stirring performance. Thank you so much, Shubham. Okay, now I would like to move on to Nobobruto Roy. Nobobruto, can you hear me? If you can hear me, then please unmute yourself. Nobobruto Roy, if you can hear me, please unmute yourself. Nobobruto Roy.
Can anybody hear me? Everybody hear me? Can we?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
All right. So, good afternoon, respected teachers. Thank you for being here in such a short notice. Happy Teachers Day. The way you feed us knowledge and provide us with guidance is remarkable. All the effort that you put on us is seriously incomparable. Thank you for showing us our path to success, and thank you for being the role model that we all look up to. And again, Happy Teachers Day. So I'm going to sing a song, one of my favorite Rabindra Sangeet. যদি কোনো ছোটখাটো ভুল ত্রুটি হয়ে থাকে তাহলে ক্ষমা করে দেবেন. So here it goes. আমারও পরানো যা চায়, তুমি তাই গো, আমারও পরানো যা চায়, তোমায় ছাড়া এ জগতে মোর কেহ নাই, কেউ নাই গো, আমারও পরানো যা চায়, তুমি সুখ যদি নাহি পাও, যাও সুখের সন্ধানে যাও, তুমি সুখ যদি নাহি পাও, যাও সুখের সন্ধানে যাও, আমি তোমারে পেয়েছি হৃদয় মাঝে, আরো কিছু নাহি চাই গো, আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়, তুমি তাই গো, আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়. Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much, Nobobruto, for that sweet Robindra Songit. We all are a fan of Robindra Songit, aren't we? I mean, if we are Bengali, then you have to be a fan of Robindra Songit, okay? We absolutely adore your performance, Nobobruto. It was lovely.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So yeah. Thank you so much, Nobrato. It was very pleasant to hear you. Okay, so now I would like to call Niloy Ghosh for another sweet Robindra Songit. Niloy, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so over to you for your lovely Robindra Songit.
Thank you, Mrinmoy. Okay, so all the teachers present here, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. As the previous performances, it is all been stated that how we love all our teachers. And I'm not going to say that again. I'm not going to take any more of your time. I will just present my song. ওকে সো আমি একটি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত গাইতে চলেছি যেটা আমি জানি না এটা টিচার্স ডেতে গাওয়ার জন্য অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট কিনা বাট আই হোপ আপনাদের সবার সেটা শুনে ভালো লাগবে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া টুকরো করে কাছি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া সকাল আমার গেল মিছে বিকেল যে যায় তারি পিছে গো সকাল আমার গেল মিছে বিকেল যে যায় তারি পিছে গো রেখো না বেদনা কুলের কাছাকাছি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া মাঝের লাগিয়াছি জাগি সকল রাত্রি বেলা ঢেউগুলো যে আমায় নিয়ে করে কেবল খেলা মাঝির লাগিয়াছি জাগি সকল রাত্রি বেলা ঢেউগুলো যে আমায় নিয়ে করে কেবল খেলা ঝড়কে আমি করব মিতে ডরব না তার ভ্রুকুটিতে ঝড়কে আমি করব মিতে ডরব না তার ভ্রুকুটিতে দাও ছেড়ে দাও গো আমি তুফান পেলে বাঁচি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া Thank you everyone. I wish you again a very happy Teachers Day. Over to you, Mrinmoy.
Okay, thank you. That was our Kumar Khola Hawa. So he's ready to just, doobte raji achi. He like to sink in love or something like that. Any
Puja Porja of Gitanjali. So you can take it as
exactly.
take it and
Full that was enriched with pure love. Thank you so much, Niloy. It was loved song of all the time, isn't it? It's always evergreen. I mean, whenever we just hear to it, emotions right straight from the heart. So it was really adorable to hear from your comments. I would like to call Nilanjan Dua. Nilanjan, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, Mrinmoy, I can hear you.
Okay, over to you.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes.
Okay, so good afternoon, respected teachers and my fellow batchmates. And first of all, happy Teachers Day to all my respected teachers. I'm going to sing a song, and sorry, Navabroto, I prepared the same song that you have sung. So I don't know whether it's appropriate to sing this song in this event, but yeah, as it's very close to my heart, so I'm going to sing this, and I'm going to start off from where Navabroto left it. So ভুল ত্রুটি ক্ষমা করবেন, please. আমি তোমার বিরহে রহিব বিলীন, তোমাতে করিব বাস। দীর্ঘ দিবস দীর্ঘ রজনী দীর্ঘ বরষ, আমি তোমার বিরহে রহিব বিলীন, তোমাতে করিব বাস। দীর্ঘ দিবস দীর্ঘ রজনী দীর্ঘ বরষ, যদি আরো কারে ভালোবাসো, যদি আরো ফিরে নাই আসো, যদি আরো কারে ভালোবাসো, যদি আরো ফিরে নাহি আসো, তবে তুমি যাহা চাও তাই যেন পাও, আমি যত দুঃখ পাই গো, আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়, তুমি তাই তুমি তাই গো, আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়। Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Nilanjan. Same song
Okay,
from two different of our...
Mrinmoy, I'm
Yes,
sorry
ma'am.
to interrupt, but I just want to say something. Can I?
Yes, ma'am. I was about to ask your comments on this. So actually,
No.
yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
It's not only about the comments. I loved every single performance. Okay. And
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
extremely honored and grateful that you all had invited me to this podium. And thank you very much for it. But I have to leave right now. I have a departmental meeting to attend. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
please
Okay,
carry
ma'am.
on with the same. Okay. And all the
Okay,
very
ma'am.
best for the other performances as well. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much for joining, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Okay, so Gargi ma'am just left the meeting, unfortunately, but it's okay. Still a great evening. So as I was about to say, Nilanjan, it was a really lovely song. Same song from the two different of our classmates. Just made our day, isn't it? Nilanjan, it was
Yeah,
really lovely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, now I would like to go back to Smriti. Smriti, can you hear me? Are you ready with your presentation? Smriti Sinha? Smriti, can you hear me?
Yeah, carry on. It was visible. Carry on.
Okay.
Yeah.
कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं, थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर।
Very good afternoon to all my dear teachers. Few lines for you all from my side. The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teachers, you are awesome. To all my dear teachers, happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you for always supporting us and for your guidance. Thank you. Thank you so much to all my dear teachers.
Good afternoon to all the teachers and my dear friends. Today is Teachers Day and we are celebrating this Teachers Day virtually due to this pandemic. The light of the world and the beacon in the dark, one who gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Happy Teachers Day to you all. Hope we will meet soon.
Thank you all my dear teachers.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Smriti. Thank you so much, Smriti. That was very lovely. And it has me in it. So thank you so much, Smriti, for showing that. And now at the end, that's how we come to an end of this evening. Thank you so much to all the teachers. And first of all, good evening to all the honorable HOD, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers. You gave me an opportunity to speak on the auspicious occasion, and it is a matter of honor for me. On behalf of the entire class, I would like to thank the honorable teachers, because school program cannot be complete without your presence and inspiring words. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the performers as well today. I would also like to thank the student committee and supporting friends for the complete preparation of this program. We just got 2 days time, and it was such a short time, and we have made the best arrangement for this program. Thank you so much wholeheartedly. I have also obligated to all the parents present with us who encouraged our participations and suggested and always helped us like anything. Finally, I would like to say, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you all for your lovely time, and thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the show.
Thank you very much. Okay, thank you to all.
Sir, if anyone sir, if you want to say, thank you, sir. Sir, if you want to say something.
We'd love to hear some words from you, teachers, if you could, please.
Shurojit sir, Samantha sir, if you...
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
It's really, it's really awesome as well within this short stipulated time.
Samantha sir, Deepak Samantha sir, if you want to say something.
Yes, I'm saying. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible. Please carry on.
Really, I'm saying that is a great arrangement. It's really a great arrangement you made within this short time interval.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
And the songs and also the dance and also the.
Thank you, sir.
All that, very, very nice. Very nice. And all these things I want to have once again when I'll be taking your Viva. Right?
Absolutely, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Of course.
Okay, there will be a musical
course,
in Viva exams, I promise.
Okay, thank you all.
Okay,
bye,
sir.
Sir. Bye, bye, bye.
I apologize on behalf of the whole class for any mistakes and errors. I hope you all can understand. Okay, so Mrinmoy, if you can conclude this evening.
Yes, Niloy. Okay, thank you so much for your presence. Thank you so much, Samantha sir, for your comments, for your lovely comments. It was really pleasing to hear from you. Thank you so much who are not there, who has already left the meeting. And thank you so much to all beloved friends for your time. Thank you so much. Now you may leave. Thank you so much. Thank you.